sometimes I just want to sit and do a really casual video. So that's what we're doing today. Like pimple patch, no makeup, let's just talk. Before we get into today's video though, I want to say thank you so much to Chime for sponsoring. I haven't done one of these in so long, but today we're doing If You Wear This, Buy That. I just want to take us through some mindful shopping, talk about purses because I've been super into them recently, and just some styling tips as well. So let's do it. First thing is, if you wear an all baggy outfit all the time, summer, winter, does not matter when, baggy t-shirt, baggy jeans, or baggy sweater, baggy trousers, you need to wear a small shoulder bag. You'll see this, but I love using your purse as the final styling piece to really add a juxtaposition to your outfit and make it a lot more interesting, more high fashion and chic in my opinion. I think so many times we pick a purse that matches the outfit, and I say challenge yourself and pick a purse that doesn't match the outfit but complements it. I think adding a really feminine shoulder bag that's small when you're wearing just a bunch of oversized clothes that feel a lot more androgynous is the perfect way to finish off an all baggy outfit. Going with that, I think if you are wearing an all fitted outfit, figure flattering, a tight top, a tight pants, or even like a tight little dress, a big slouchy shoulder bag is the way to go. I think the bigger the better for this. I also think like the more fabric the better. So like when you stretch out the bag, you know it feels massive, but it kind of slouches into this just giant oversized under the shoulder. I think it could be printed. I think it can be canvas, leather, suede, whatever. Again, any season, this matches the vibe. Next is if you are always wearing athleisure, so in the summer, tank tops, leggings, joggers, even like cargo pants. Sometimes I think of them as like athleisure because I never dress athleisure, but like a gorpcore style outfit, or even like puffer jackets in the winter, bombers, that kind of thing. This is where I think you can wear a crossbody bag. Now, I talked about this in my last video. I know crossbody bags can be more practical, but I also do think there are times where it does go better with your outfit, and for a more athleisure look, I think matching the athleisure with a crossbody bag helps the athleisure look. No, this is like going against everything else I just said to not match. But when you have like leggings and a little workout top on and you're wearing your Coach tabby on your shoulder, it just looks like you're running to a workout class, which is fine. And if that's what you're doing, you don't have to like change your purse out just for that. But if you add a crossbody, more athletic looking bag, a messenger bag, a nylon bag, even a fanny pack that you wear across this way, it makes the outfit look more like an outfit and not just running out the door, going to one place, coming back home. Now, I've talked about crossbodies and what I think you have to do to wear them because I'm so picky. I don't like a crossbody with a little thin, like almost string strap. Like, I'm sure there are instances where I like it. Like, I don't like this. I want a thick, wide strap, preferably with like a giant buckle on it that adds just some texture, some dimension to the look. And it can't hit below your hip. It has to hit like in the divot of your hip is where the bag would end. So this helps a lot when it's a bag with a buckle because it's adjustable. I say if you're getting a crossbody bag and it doesn't have an adjustable strap, just like don't even bother because it's gonna try and be universal, which means it fits nobody correctly. I also think you could like add your own strap if it's not long enough. I'm sure if you took it to like a tailor, cobbler, leather workplace, that would be really cool. And anytime you like customize something in your wardrobe like that and get it tailored to you or, you know, made for you, you end up keeping it forever and it just becomes a really special piece whether you grow out of that style or not. So I'm always for tailoring pieces to fit you and fit exactly what you want. Before we get into the rest of the video, I wanted to say thank you so much to Chime for sponsoring. If you've never heard of Chime, Chime is an award-winning financial app and debit card that millions of Americans use to manage, save, and spend their money. Chime offers a smarter way to manage your money with no monthly fees, no minimum balance fees or requirements, and less stress. One of my favorite features Chime offers is the SpotMe. Ever had a payment bounce at the worst time? Chime's got your back. Chime offers fee-free overdraft up to $200 on debit and credit card transactions, plus cash withdrawals with eligible SpotMe members. This is my own personal Chime debit card that I've been using the past few months and I'm loving it. So check out Chime using the link in my description box to sign up and take control of your finances today. Thank you again to Chime for sponsoring this video. Let's get into the rest of it. Next thing, if you wear summer prints a lot, gingham, stripes, polka dots, and I guess those are could be winter prints too, but I'll put on screen what I mean. I think you should wear a wicker or woven basket or purse. It doesn't have to be a Jane Birkin basket, but you guys know I love that. There's a fly in my house. I think sometimes these summer prints can be hard to pair like a leather bag with, or even like a canvas bag, because a lot of times they'll have like a print of their own or a color of their own where it just doesn't match everything you have. But if you have all of these prints in your wardrobe, one bag that will always work with all of them to me is just a classic woven or wicker bag. I love that these are so easy to thrift and there's so many vintage styles. You can get them in any style, which is also awesome. My preferred choice is a basket, like bucket bag. I have this little one from Cezanne. They have it in like every size. You can wear it top handle, tuck in the strap, and wear it top handle, and then also wear it cross body when you need to. You could find a shoulder bag in this style, like the kind of almost lunchbox jewelry ones are pretty common, so cute, and they go with any summer print, any print. Now, on the other hand of that, I also think wicker and woven goes amazing with thick knits. This is another one of those juxtaposition ones where it's like you shouldn't be wearing wicker or woven basket purses in the winter time, and that's exactly when I want to wear mine the most. I think it is so chic looking to be carrying around a basket, you know, wicker bag with a gray fuzzy thick turtleneck knit, or with gloves and your trench on. See, like it wouldn't work with a puffer jacket, but like in a chic winter way, it totally works. You're all bundled up and you have your wicker. Love it. That's my favorite. Next thing is, if you're wearing impractical clothes all the time, you are the person who can wear a top handle bag. A top handle is so frustrating to wear now with a toddler. I just actually cannot wear a top handle because I need two hands, or she wants me to carry her and then it's hard to carry. So my basket bag is literally only for when I go out without her, which is once a month. I wasn't going out with a toddler all the time and I could do whatever I wanted. I would be wearing a top handle all the time. Like, it's so cute, and it does like go over your wrist and you can use your two hands, but to carry a baby with a top handle, no. Like, I think my dream bag is this Gucci bamboo top handle bag. I always think it's so cute. I would never buy it out of budget, but yeah, so cute. And if you're already wearing like heels or slides or like little skirts you can't bend over in, just go all out. Wear the top handle too. You're already doing it. I like miss all my clothes I couldn't be hands-free in, or I couldn't bend over in, because now I have to do all those things. I have a few notes about purses. If a small bag goes better with your outfit than a giant bag, wear the small bag and carry a second bag with it. So it can be a canvas tote, like literally a reusable tote that you got for free, or it can be your bigger duffel-y bag almost. I think it looks so much more chic to have that right purse and even a second purse, because then it's just kind of feels more lived in than picking the wrong purse and then you're just not fashionable. My biggest fear. Just kidding. Next note that I have on this is to never buy a matching bag and shoes that you plan on wearing together. So obviously you can match your bag and shoes if you're wearing a black bag and you're wearing black boots. That's not even really matching, that's just like two neutrals. What I don't want to see is if you have a lime green purse and you bought it from the same store as your lime green kitten heels and they match exactly. You cannot wear those together. It immediately looks cheap. It immediately looks like you bought those two items to wear together with that outfit and you're never gonna wear again, which is like not outfit repeating, is one of the ugliest things to me. You need to coordinate your shoes and purse but not match them. So if I was wearing a lime green purse, I would wear like a pinky toned shoe. And yes, that seems like a little more kooky, but they complement each other. They don't match, which is what you need to do to look more fashionable, more effortless. It's a lot more chic. It feels more lived in. I think making your outfit look like you kind of threw it together, but you live in it, you wear it all the time, like that adds a coolness that can't be bought. That's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was definitely a quick one, but I can do more of these if you want. I've already done shoes and winter jackets on my channel, so you can check those out. But let me know what else you'd want to see. Okay, I love you guys most. I'll see you in a few days. Bye.